everyone, welcome to another Easter DIY craft for this month. In this video, we'll be creating a pop-up Easter egg with our little mascot Alzy. For this DIY, the materials you need are construction paper, our template that could be found in our blog, craft sticks, a pair of scissors, glue stick, pencil, and markers to decorate. So the first step I'm going to do is cut out our eggs from our template. Now that you have your eggs cut, I'm going to trace them onto a construction paper. You can choose to color in already if you want to use just the template for this craft, but in this video I'll be making it out of our construction paper. So with the egg that has a crack on it, you're going to cut out the crack and then trace it onto the construction paper. Cutting out our eggs, I'm just going to be putting these off to the side, and then we'll be coloring our Alzy. You can use any art materials you have at home. In this video, I'll be using our markers that we have right here. And then feel free to decorate however you want. Have fun with it. I'm gonna color him purple. Coloring your Alzy, we're going to cut him out. So after cutting out Alzy, as well as his ears, we're going to attach it to the top part of the cracked egg. We're going to attach the ears onto this part. And you're going to want to glue the bottom part of the ears and attach it to the egg like so. It's gonna look like this, just a little bit on the edge. Apply the other ear. End up looking like this. And then we're going to glue this top part to the top of Alzy's head. Just going to glue a little bit onto the cracked piece, attaching it to his head. So next we're going to take these two parts of the egg. This will be the back part, and then this is the front side. So for this one, you're going to glue on the sides of the egg, not completely, because we will be putting the craft stick through. So gluing it like this, not too much. And then we're going to attach the top part. So there should be some room for the craft stick to go through. So once that's all glued together, you can decorate your egg however you want it. After decorating our Easter egg, we're going to take Alzy and glue him to a craft stick. And you're going to want to glue about half of his body, and then place it on top of the craft stick. Now that Alzy is attached to our craft stick, we're just going to insert the craft stick into the egg where we left some room for it to go through. And that is our DIY craft. Little pop-up. Thank you guys for watching. You can find our craft as well as some more on our blog, basicproducts.com/inspireme. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in our next video.